Today, we are going to make our Pear and Brie Galette. This is absolutely one of my favorite things to make. It's so luscious and beautiful. It's excellent for the holidays. To begin with, what we're going to do is put our apricot jam in a pan with a little bit of the butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla. So we're just using a pinch of cardamom, and 1.5 tablespoons of flour is going to go into this mix as well. As soon as that comes together, we're done. Just set that to the side. Next, we want to do is slice our pears. Cut around the core. You want to slice them very thinly. So we have our chilled dough. It's been chilling for a few hours, and I pulled it out about 15 minutes ago just to let it warm up just enough so that I can press into it pretty easily. The cheese that I chose for this is Dauphinois. It's a brie that's really kind of soft. You don't have to worry about what the brie looks like at this point. This is our bottom layer. It will be hidden under the pears. Just put it in at the bottom and put everything on top, and no one will ever know. We have Chandler walnuts, which are from California. They're just absolutely outstanding. We'll take about 2/3 of our mixture and put it here. We'll save the rest of that to drizzle over the top of the pears. Simply take the sliced pears and just arrange them however you see fit. Whatever feels right to you. Just put them together pretty tightly, and all of those beautiful layers are just going to look gorgeous once we get this glazed and they cook down together. So at this point, we just roll up the edges. This is going to get egg washed. The rest of our apricot jam mix. We're going to cook that for about 35 to 45 minutes, 375. I always spin it at about 20-25 minutes just so the browning is even, and I want to check how those pears are doing. At that point, when it's golden, completely golden, we'll top it with a few of the toasted walnuts. Just give it another couple of minutes to let those get warm and toasty, and then pull it out, let it rest for a second, and then we'll top it with some more brie. There it is. Finished with our toasted walnuts over the top. Beautiful.